Hank Vaiden, Hank's Barbecue, getting ready for the big game day. We're gonna make some Mississippi Sin Dip. All right, so first thing we've added is we've mixed a cup of mozzarella and a cup of cheddar. To that, we're gonna add about 4 ounces of chopped green onion. And we wanna put 6 ounces of diced ham. And our next two ingredients, we wanna use 12 ounces of sour cream and then a brick of cream cheese. And you wanna make sure it's softened so you can mix it up thoroughly with your hand or your mixer, but it blends really well. And then to finish it off, to give it that little pizzazz we all want, about a quarter cup of garlic. I mean a quarter teaspoon, my bad. Then we're gonna mix it together. Next, we'll do our bread bowls. We're just gonna cut the tops off, and then we're gonna take some of the bread out of the sides here. Or you can press it down, whichever you prefer to do. And once we have that bread bowl really pretty like we like it, we're gonna take our Mississippi Sin Dip here, and we're gonna place it into the bread bowl. And we want a good healthy portion because on those game days, you wanna have a good time. And then we'll do the big bread bowl, take and carve some of the bread out to make a wonderful bowl. And once we get that cap off of the bread bowl, we want to save the excess bread that we're pulling out so we can use that and for our dip, kind of like with a chip. Our bread will be our chip. Ta-da! All right, now once you've got your bread bowls prepared, you always want to wrap them so it stays nice and covered. And just wrap it kind of loosely. Makes it easier to handle when you're getting ready to bring it off the grill. And then if you use a tray, just take your foil, place them in your tray, and just come on top of it, and just gently cover it up. What this does is allows the heat in there to make a little small mist of steam so your bread doesn't get real hard. Now we're ready to go to the grill. We're gonna set them on, we're gonna do about 400 degrees for 45 minutes. All right, on the Mississippi Sin Dip, we brought them off the smoker. What you're looking for when you unwrap them, you want that golden crust on the bread, the cheese all melted and gooey, looking just like that. And on your larger bread bowl, same exact thing. That golden crust, the cheese all nice and melted, ready to dip. With the Mississippi Sin Dip, the great thing about the finished product is you got your own bread bowl, take the top off, use it to dip down and get your dip out. If you don't want to do that, great with chips as well. Just grab you a chip, dip down, and enjoy. It's a game day winner.